Hi, my name's George Esposito. I'm from Little Falls, New Jersey. Last fall, I was looking for a pizza oven, and I was going to build one, and then I came across Ilfornino's pizza oven online. I came down and I got excellent service, excellent help with the staff inside. I purchased the oven. I took it home. It took me literally a half hour to get it out of the boxes and set it up. Once I set it up, they gave me full instructions on how to start the fire, where to start the fire. And once I did that, I put it in. I turned around and I got the fire to temperature, and I shut the door like they told me to. It has a vent on the front door. After that, the pizza oven got up to 650, 700 degrees, and I made my first pizza, which came out absolutely perfect. It was the most delicious pizza I have ever had. Then I was finished. I shut the doors. It was 6 o'clock at night in September. I shut the door, and the oven was at 600 degrees. And at 12 o'clock at night, I went back outside, and the oven had maintained the temperature. It was at 300 degrees at midnight. Recently, I've been trying all different products with it. I've made calzones in it. I've made seafood in it. I've baked bread in it. And now I just purchased a new grill, and I'm going to try to make my beautiful T-bone steaks. So this is my next experience. Also tried seafood. I got a cast iron pan, and I made mussels in wine sauce in it, and it came out perfect, a lot faster than if I was to do it in an oven. And I also made a beautiful calzone, which was about this size, and it absolutely came out perfect, cooked to perfection. And I cook a lot of other things. Like I said, I'm going to be trying the steak next. But the main thing, probably the most fun, is the pizza. I just love the taste, and the wood-fired taste, you just can't beat it. I definitely recommend this company and this product. It is made to perfection.